Mr. Vice Chairman, Sir, I am obliged to the House for the general support this measure has received. I would like to clear up one or two points. I would begin by saying that this act, when it was passed and as it stands today on the statute book, is intended only to regulate and control industries. Its purpose is not to take over the ownership of industries. For that, we have got other measures and other methods to follow. The limited purpose here is this: wherever industries appear to be going wrong and wherever, because of the mismanagement or bad management, public interest is affected or production has gone down, in such cases there is provision for government to take them over for a period and manage them. Now it has been found in many cases that we have taken over and managed them and managed them well. I would like to point out that there are many very good examples where industries which a little while ago were going down have prospered under government management and control, and in this period the government has never used its power indiscriminately. In all these years, 12 undertakings were taken over and then handed back. 7 undertakings are today under the management of the government. One of the undertakings which is today under government management and which has occasioned this measure was in a rather bad way when government took it over about 7 years ago, and the government within the initial 5-year period of management improved its finances. Its profits have gone deep, its reserves have gone up. The concern has considerably improved, but then it was again thought that it has to be continued under proper management, and government are of the opinion that this management has to continue. If the existing law remains, As it is today, there is no course open to the government but to hand it back to the shareholders. This is one of the reasons why this measure has been brought forward before this House, because the law as it stands today does not permit more than one extension of such management. So I think that clears the point which was raised by some of my friends. There is nothing like unlimited extension. This act is not meant for government to virtually take over industries and continue indefinitely in control of them.